This 2007 Bentley Continental GTC is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Bentley GTC Continental 6.0L twin turbocharged W12 engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive system, navigation system, front parking assist, rear parking assist, adaptive xenon headlights, power rear trunk opener, self-leveling suspension, keyless and tri-keyless start, heated front seat, heated exterior mirrors, automatic power windows, interior trim, veneer silver lake, exterior light tan leather, interior dark blue convertible soft top. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detail walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2007 Bentley Continental GTC Mulliner is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing, and visit us at autogallerychicago.com.